my hair is actually not that bad. It's not good, but it's not that bad. I am on a filming spree, my friends. I am so proud of myself. I am on video 4 today. This is my 3rd sit-down video, and then I'm in the midst of filming kind of a gist video, so that's very exciting. But even more exciting, Sephora Play came in, so I thought I would just go ahead and open this bad boy up since I'm already doing all this today. So let's do it, shall we? If you are not familiar, Sephora Play is a $10 subscription box. It is sent to you every month, and it's filled with products that my vacuum really wants to go today. I've had to tell him no several times. But it's filled with products that are sold at Sephora. Some of the products are targeted specifically towards my skin type or hair type or coloring or what have you. So let's do this. They always give you a pamphlet with a play pass that gets you free Sephora points if you are a beauty insider, which why would you not be? It's free and it gets you nothing but points. So if you're spending money there anywhere, you might as well. Comes in a little plastic bag. Just gonna dump them all out. Oh, I'm so excited already. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Number 1. Y'all know how excited I am. I got a Hourglass Caution mascara. Woo! This is my favorite mascara, and I love the minis. I love mini mascaras. But especially when it's one that I like. I'm not gonna open this because I already have one going, but I will show you the old one. The brush tip is kind of conical. It's got some like smaller bristles at the tip and longer bristles at the bottom. The only issue is that like in the mini size, this is so wide comparatively to the brush head that sometimes it's a little hard to get in there, but I don't care. It's amazing. It's definitely my favorite mascara, and I try to use it sparingly, so now I don't have to. I'm very excited about that. Yay. Okay, there's something from Amika. It's a beach spray. All right, it says Bushwick Beach No Salt Wave Spray. Super cute packaging. I've never used anything by Amika. I know I'm like behind on that. Non-drying multi-phase texture spray delivers PC windswept beach waves with body grit and a touch of hold and shine. Shake well, mist evenly through dry or damp hair. You know, I would actually try this because it doesn't have salt and it's non-drying, so that's exciting. I can tell that it has like some shimmer particles in there, so that's why it adds shine, but it's fine. Let me smell it. That smells like something from my childhood and I can't place it. I don't know what else to say about it. I don't want to put it on my hair right now. I know, like this masterpiece, why would I want to mess this up? But I will try it next time I wash my hair. Okay, perfume sample. They always do a perfume sample. I very rarely enjoy the perfume sample. This one is Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. It is first floral lavender for a singular trail like a breath of freedom. Is that English? The first floral lavender for a singular trail like a breath of freedom. Okay. The iconic orange blossom flower from Morocco, a luminous and sensual white flower twisted by the lavender from France, an ambiguous flower often considered as masculine, bringing boldness, freshness, and texture. A fragrance as a shout of freedom, the freedom to live everything to the fullest. Okay, I'll try it. Libra. I don't know. It's all right. It's a little masculine, which I guess we are getting into fall. I'm gonna leave it on my wrist and then we'll see how I feel about it in a couple minutes. Okay, up next, very exciting, we have the Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Face Wash from Fresh. I love this. I just bought a like little bit bigger size is great. I highly recommend this. Yeah, I'm excited to have something I already have, that I already like specifically. It's very strong, the perfume. Okay, this I feel like I've had before. Oh, no, I haven't. Okay, this is from First Aid Beauty. It is Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer with Fig Extract. I have not tried this, but I'm not really into mattifying primers lately. Let's see if I can smell it without smelling this perfume. I should always do the perfume last. Future Emily, do the perfume sample last. Okay? Okay. Yeah, I smell nothing because all I can smell is Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. Libre. Libre. Did I do that right? Are you French? Can you tell me? Libre by Yves Saint Laurent. I took French in high school, so it's definitely paying off right now. So, yeah, I don't know. It sounds good. I can put it on my hand and tell you how it feels. It feels thick. It feels kind of balmy. It feels kind of silicone-y. All right. I don't know. I'm not really into matte primers right now, but I will definitely try it. And then this is exciting. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow in the color 3, which is what I normally do. So that's great. They've given a couple of these minis before. They're super tiny. And they're super adorable and cute, and like I'm not gonna go through a huge brow mascara very quickly, so that's fine. But like this brush tip is so tiny, but this wand head is so large that it like it's hard to get to my actual eyebrow with this. Like, all right. Okay, can you see a difference? I trimmed this eyebrow too short, so ignore this part of my brow. I don't know, it looks good. I don't think I have brow gel in right now, so this is good. Gimme Brow has fibers in it, so it's supposed to like, you know, build up the actual hair as well as tint them and, you know, shape your brows. This is all a win in my book. I've got 2 products that I love. Love, love, love. I've got a perfume sample, which, you know, I don't care. A product that I enjoy, and a product that I don't know, and a product that I might use. So this is a win in my book. I definitely would not consider any of these a dud. So that's good. Let me see if this pamphlet says anything exciting. Oh, I didn't know that First Aid Beauty is supposed to be like specifically for sensitive skin, so that's cool. It says it's non-comedogenic, makeup gripping primer. It's on a mission to rescue your skin. Their hardworking, irritant-free products range from everyday essentials to intense therapies, and their beauty is safe for sensitive skin. So that's cool. I don't know if I have sensitive skin. I've had facialists tell me that I have sensitive skin, but I also think that like my skin handles things fine. I think I just get red easily, and so people think that it's that, but it's not. It's just, you know, being of Irish descent. I don't know. My capillaries are closer to the top of my skin, I think is all that is. I don't think it's actually sensitivity. Cool. Yeah, I'm a fan. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up so that I know to keep doing it. Otherwise, I might not keep doing these. If this is interesting to you, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what products you're excited to try. Let me know if you have any subscription boxes. If there's a subscription box that I should give a try, let me know. I'm curious about FabFitFun, but it's kind of an investment, so I don't know about that. But yeah, let me know what's up in the comments below, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post new videos. And follow me on social media. It is @EmilyFunBun on Instagram and Twitter. Cool. Thanks guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey, by the way, I think the perfume is a no for me. I'm gonna pass it on to husband and see if he wants it. He probably won't because he doesn't like fragrances, but it's just a little too masculine for me. I like really light and floral scents, but it does smell really good. It smells really pretty. It's nice if you like lavender and orange and a little bit more musky scents. Okay, that's it. Bye.